to my channel. It is Day back again with a video for y'all. So today, if you haven't read that title already, we are going to be doing a makeup look. I'm super excited. Y'all know I haven't done my makeup in forever, but I wanted to do a festive kind of holiday related look. For this makeup look, since I haven't done my makeup in so long, I was like racking my brain trying to figure out what type of look we wanted to do today. And since the holidays are very much near, I decided to go ahead and do a festive like holiday look, but I didn't want to do like the typical average holiday look because I was looking on YouTube at like some examples or whatever, and everybody just does like the classic beat with the red lip. Gorgeous, by the way, but I just kind of want to do something different. So I have these little eyeshadow glitter things I never used. I bought them a long time ago, but I just want to like freestyle and do something a little different but make it festive. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. Either it's gonna look really good or it's gonna look really bad, but let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm excited. I haven't done my makeup in forever. So first we're gonna go ahead and tackle these eyebrows. So for today's session, I've been feeling very much Janae Aiko, so I think that's the type of session that we are about to have. For this video, obviously I can't play her music because of copyright, but I'll do my best. So let me go ahead and start tackling these eyebrows real quick. My bestie also just got me some new MORPHE brushes for my birthday, and I haven't used them yet because I haven't been doing my makeup, but I'm super excited to try them out. So I'm like opening them. I got MORPHE brushes, like who am I? Oh, so gorgeous. So yeah, she got me some new brushes, and I think I'm gonna use one of these. So yeah, she got me some new brushes. Thank you, bestie. And I think I'm gonna use some of these for today's look. And she also got me some beauty blenders, which I really did need some. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop into it. So taking this angled brush right here, this Morphe brush, I'm going to use my brow pomade to dip it in there and do my brows.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit.
So yeah, that's how they're looking off the bat, and obviously I'm gonna go in and clean them up. They're not gonna be as thick, but I just like to kind of try to map it out a little bit because my eyebrows are very bushy. I'm not doing my eyebrows at the moment because I'm trying to get them to grow out. So I just don't want to like cut them, wax them or anything. So I'm just trying to like work with my eyebrows.
You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
Tonight I think I lost the plot. carpet bed before. And then I opened my heart and dreamt my friends finally. It was not what I thought, 'cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no room for me. Found out the house that we had when we were living as a three. Now that my family's gone, I'm lost as far as I can see. They didn't love me, I'm sure, but they're not there anymore.
Till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your hands, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man and I need does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
I know you love fucking me. outside looking in on them, they can't understand when they all cope with everything. And then I open my heart and some of my friends finally. It was not what I thought, 'cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no room for me down at the house that we had when we were living as a group. Now that my family's gone, I'm just as far as I can see. They didn't love me, I'm sure, but they're not there anymore.
Okay babies, I am done with the makeup look. I wanted to come and show you guys the results of me doing my makeup. So this is it. Don't mind my eyes a little red because when I do my makeup, my eyes start to water. And I thought it was gonna get better, but it's only getting worse. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys before it like starts coming down. So yeah, my eyes are very much watery, but this is the finished look. What do we think? What do we think? I think it's super cute to say that I just freestyled this. I literally didn't know what I was going to do. I just knew like what colors I wanted to use. But this is the finished look of what I did. Just something like cute and festive for the holidays. I don't know if this really gives holidays. You guys tell me what you think. But I think it's a nice change from like the typical stuff that I've been seeing with like the red lip and all of that. So I just think it's something a little bit different with the green eyeshadow. I really do love it. It's all glittery and pretty, and it really just reminds me of the holidays where everything is just glitz and glam, and you know, like the ornaments are very shiny and the lights and all of that. So that's what it kind of reminds me of, and I just really like that it's not like a typical holiday look. But I also love that it's still like glam but not like too much. Like it's still kind of like neutral in a sense where it's not like too much. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think about this look right here. I'm obsessed, I'm in love, and it makes me want to do my makeup again. So you guys may get another makeup tutorial real soon. But yeah, this right here is the finished product. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, babes, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.
Never wanted them to respect.